it's Harry Potter. Oh my God, it's Harry Potter. Oh my God, go Dumbledore. Don't say his name. Oh my God, Harry Potter. Oh my God, Harry Potter.
What are you watching?
Harry Potter.
Oh, the new one.
Yeah, Deathly Hallows.
Yeah, that one.
Freaking amazing.
Yeah, looks great. Just don't get hooked on this.
What do you mean get hooked?
Well, when The Lord of the Rings came out, you couldn't stop saying, "My precious." And then you were saying, "One ring to screw 'em all."
One ring to rule them all, dingus. And anyway, I would have done it like twice.
Try it for 4 weeks.
Yeah, whatever. I mean, get lost. I'm trying to watch the movie.
Anyway, just don't get hooked. You always get hooked.
What? No, I don't. Harry Potter.
No! No! Okay? I told you to get hooked on this! No! You stupid dickhead! No! No Harry Potter! No Harry Potter! No Harry Potter! Sorry. Oh, thank God. Harry, son of a...